Slimmer, more compact and durable. Say hello to Keychron K7. A 65% layout, low-profile mechanical keyboard that allows you to maximize your desktop space and enhance your typing experience. The low-profile mechanical switches and its reinforced ultra-thin aluminum enclosure design make Keychron K7 one of the thinnest mechanical keyboards on the market. It's ideal for your home, office, or even on the go. It can be for daily use, working, or even playing games. It can do it all. K7 is small, but powerful. With its Bluetooth 5.1 chip, it can be paired with up to 3 devices wirelessly, and even offers the ability to let you switch amongst the devices seamlessly. The multimedia and function keys work perfectly with Mac OS. Flip the system toggle to Windows mode, and you can also use the Windows layout. Keychron's upgraded low-profile optical switches can give you richer tactile options and a more stable typing experience. By building the Hot-Swappable function into the low-profile optical keyboard last year, we created our first ever customizable low-profile optical switch keyboard. This time, we carried that innovation to the K7 mechanical version, making it the first of its kind, a customizable low-profile mechanical keyboard without the need to solder. All new ergonomic angle adjustment design, 18 RGB lighting effects, and a built-in lithium battery. All of this makes Keychron K7 the most compact, slim, and powerful wireless low-profile mechanical keyboard we have ever made.